In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit records in bulk from the Object Index page in HubSpot. We'll start right at the beginning so nothing feels rushed. Open your browser, head to your preferred search engine, and type HubSpot. Click through to the official HubSpot website and sign into your account. If your organization uses additional verification, complete that as usual. Once you're in, you'll land on your HubSpot workspace. Next, move your cursor to the left sidebar and look for the CRM section. This is where your core objects live, such as contacts, companies, deals, and tickets. For today's walkthrough, we'll use contacts as the example, but the same bulk edit flow applies to other objects from their respective index pages. On the Contacts Index page, you'll see a table of records aligned in rows. To choose the records you want to modify, click the checkbox next to each contact you want to include. If you plan to update many at once, you can select the checkbox at the very top of the table to select all visible rows. Take a quick moment to confirm you've got the right records before proceeding, especially if you're working from a filtered view. With your records selected, look toward the top of the page for the Edit option and click it. This opens the Bulk Edit panel, where you control exactly which property you're updating across the selected records. You're not changing everything, only the single property you choose here will be updated for all selected records. From the Property dropdown, pick the field you want to modify. As an example, let's choose Status. Depending on your setup, this might be a dropdown, a text field, or another input type. Select the new value you want applied. If Status is a dropdown, choose the correct option from the list. A quick tip here. Think about any workflows, lists, or reports that rely on this property. Updating it in bulk can trigger automations, so it's smart to confirm you've got the intended value. When you're confident in your selection, click Update. HubSpot will apply the change to every record you selected. You'll typically see a progress indicator or a brief confirmation. If you don't see the change immediately, give the page a quick refresh. And that's it. You've successfully performed a bulk edit from the Objects Index page. To recap the flow you'll use again and again, sign in, open the Object Index, select the records, choose Edit, pick the property, set the new value, and update. Use filters beforehand if you need to narrow your list, and always double-check the selection count to avoid accidental changes.